The Cardano digital currency, ADA, has seen expanding unpredictability in the previous months as financial backers in the task searched for signs of the send-off of its postponed Vassal update, making a Cardano cost expectation undeniably trickier than it could somehow have been. The ADA cost rose toward the beginning of June, with the overhaul expected toward the month's end, yet fell in mid-July as need might have arisen to be settled before the hard fork could go live. The cost then spiked multiple times in late July, yet has been not able to support any enduring additions over the 50 cents level. On the 18th of September 2022, the coin's organizer, Charles Hoskinson, delivered a video saying that the Vassal update had started and that it would be finished on the 22nd of September. What has befallen the Cardano cost throughout the past month or somewhere in the vicinity, and what different variables are driving the Cardano coin cost forecast? To respond to these inquiries, we investigate how the task is creating and what the most recent Cardano assumptions could show about the future value course of the ADA coin. Next, Cardano hard fork draws near. Established in 2015 and sent off with a $62.20 starting coin offering in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, a prime supporter of Ethereum, Cardano was one of the first blockchains to utilize a proof-of-stake agreement component. What is Cardano utilized for? As per its site, it joins spearheading advances to give unrivaled security and manageability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. Hoskinson helped to establish Hong Kong-based blockchain examination and designing organization InfoResult Hong Kong, which fosters the Cardano project alongside the Cardano establishment and Japanese programming firm Emergo. The Cardano blockchain is named after 16th-century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The organization's local coin, ADA, is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th-century mathematician who is generally viewed as the primary software engineer. The blockchain carries out the Ouroboros Convention, which empowers the organization's decentralization and permits it to increase while staying secure. Similar as Ethereum, which is currently a progression of redesigns, Cardano is carrying out a progression of hard forks to extend its list of capabilities. In WOC 2021, the Merry hard fork empowered the organization to turn into a multi-resource stage. The following move up to the Cardano blockchain will be the Vassal hard fork, which has been deferred from the 29th of June to September, as indicated by a video by Hoskinson which was delivered on the 26th of August 2022. The update is named to pay tribute to Vassalson Daboff, a Cardano diplomat who kicked the bucket a year ago. As per an IOHK blog entry, the Vassal overhaul will bring expanded usefulness, execution, adaptability, and interoperability to Cardano through new highlights and upgrades, as well as carrying enhancements to Shrewd agreements. The redesign is essential for the Basho period of the Cardano guide, which centers around scaling and organization and record advancement and will carry different upgrades to the record. 3 separate bugs were found during testing of the hard fork in June, Hoskinson said in a report on the 1st of August 2022. This is the most confounded move up to Cardano in its set of experiences, since it incorporates the 2 changes to its modifying language, Plutus, as well as changes to the agreement convention and a reiteration of different things. A significant number of the enhancements that the redesign will present started from Cardano improvement recommendations brought by designers up locally. Moreover, various new cryptographic natives will be given, and content approval cycles will additionally see changes and improvements adding to consistency in block proliferation times and higher exchange handling rates, IOHK said. Notwithstanding work on the overhaul, IOHK sent off the Cardano sidechain alpha utilizing the Ethereum virtual machine on the 12th of June 2022. The Milconda C1 sidechain sent off in spring. Nico Arqueros, president and prime supporter of DC Spark and a center supporter of the Milconda Convention, tweeted on the 31st of July that the chain had handled near 7.5 million exchanges. Might ADA at any point reach $5? The ADA coin esteem has would in general track the example of digital money market patterns, ascending in the late 2017 and mid-2021 energizes, and shedding esteem during more extensive sell-offs. Assumptions were high when the ADA cost hit its unequaled high of $3.10 on the 2nd of September 2021 in front of the Alonzo hard fork, which acquainted savvy contracts with the blockchain. Engineers sent north of 100 Shrewd agreements following the send-off. However, at that point, as the graph shows, the ADA token auctions often neglected to take part in the November crypto rally that took Bitcoin and Ether, the 2 biggest coins, to new highs. ADA began 2022 at $1.36 and moved to $1.63 on the 18th of January. It then, at that point, slipped to 75 cents on the 24th of February as financial backers auctions off resources toward the beginning of the Russia-Ukraine struggle. The value recuperated to the $1.24 level in late walk, however couldn't keep up with the vertical pattern, falling back to 74 cents toward the finish of April 2022. The coin dropped to an intraday low of 40 cents on the 12th of May 2022 as crypto markets responded to the depegging of the US stablecoin and the breakdown of the related Luna digital money. And the US dollar moved to a 20-year high against a container of different monetary forms, known as the dollar file. ADA bounced back to 68 cents as crypto costs rose, then pulled back to 42 cents in mid-June. The cost climbed to 54 cents on the 20th of July 2022, preceding withdrawing to 45 cents. Then, at that point, exchanged at around 50 cents into the beginning of August. On the 14th of August, it arrived at a month-to-month high of 59 cents, prior to descending to exchange at around 45 cents on the 31st of August. In September, the cost at first recuperated as financial backers expected the execution of Vassal, with ADA hitting a high of 52 cents on the 10th of September. From that point forward, however, market factors implied that the cost dropped. In spite of the report about Vassal, ADA's value dropped to 43 cents on the 19th of September, prior to recuperating marginally to exchange at around 44 cents on the 20th of September 2022. Around then, there were 34.18 billion ADA available for use out of an all-out supply of 34,854,947,575. This gave the coin a market cap of about $15 billion, making it the 8th biggest crypto by that measurement. Cardano cost forecast. Would it be advisable for you to trade the coin? We should now investigate a portion of the Cardano cost forecasts that were being made on the 20th of September 2022. It is critical to recall that cost figures, particularly for something as possibly unstable as digital money, are many times wrong. Besides, long-haul crypto value expectations are in many cases made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change whenever. The momentary standpoint for the ADA cost was negative starting around the 20th of September, as per specialized examination information accumulated by. Besides, Cardano crypto cost expectation showed that the token could recuperate to 45 cents by the 25th of September, however dropped to 39 cents by the 21st of October. In the meantime, had a Cardano cost expectation for 2022 that recommended ADA could drop to 33 cents in November before possibly shutting the year at 35 cents. The site demonstrated that there could be a recuperation from that point onward, however, with Cardano conceivably worth 63 cents in September 2023. By 2025, the token might have reappeared over the dollar to exchange at $1.15. However, there could then be a plunge to 97 cents by September 2027. By 2030, however, the site proposed that ADA could bounce back to $2.88 and, surprisingly, made a Cardano cost expectation for 2040 of a potential $5.77. Then, made an ADA crypto cost expectation which was more bullish for the last 50% of the 10 years, with its Cardano cost forecast for 2030 assessing that the coin could average $10.57, up from a Cardano cost forecast for 2025 of $1.63 and 54 cents in 2022, in light of its profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination. At long